shit. Luke, in order to move said treadmill downstairs, I'm going to need to empty that wardrobe upstairs and possibly bin that wardrobe. Contain some of your items. Would you care to remove like 4 jackets?
Yeah. I took some.
I've got space in my wardrobe.
Well, you reckon that wardrobe has to come down in order to get the...
I think it should go anyway. It doesn't really serve any purpose.